nice places.
Yeah.
Have you seen our nice roads?
Yeah.
They tarred and they've got gardens, manicured gardens, bro.
It's all organized, man.
Yeah, they say we third world, man.
That's a joke. That's
so
jokes
this
on
is
them.
Waterfall Hotel.
Okay.
And this is apartments. Also the Baldwin.
Okay. Polo?
Polo Fields.
This is Polo Fields.
This is Polo Fields.
Okay.
And then where you see Paul, the restaurant there, if you see the parking area there, like if you had to count the first 5 cars you see, it's like almost like 10 million rand. Just first 5 cars you're gonna see. And that's where the big boys go and chill. Like,
so is this waterfall? Oh no, it's Polo Fields Crossing.
Polo Fields Crossing.
Okay.
See how they're chilling outside.
Wow. Minute.
Roaming on the street. That's crazy.
Yeah.
See the Ferris wheel, the Mall of Africa. You see this building, this funny facade.
Yeah.
That's the Eclipse.
Eclipse, yeah. I wanted to see that. The tour probably.
I'll come to this gym as well.
But do you think Waterfall is a good area for Airbnb?
No,
Short
they
term?
don't.
No, like the
The estate they
not
do.
the estate. I'm saying like the area. This area. If you found something.
Yeah. See these homes?
Yeah. You just get. I think you just be in a good mood every day, living in places like this. In Joburg, seriously, like it just seems so organized, you know.
This is
Like
the
you
only.
can walk,
This
you know.
is your only stress that you get.
Oh yeah, those guys.
These guys are something else, man.
Yeah.
Like, oh my gosh, there's something else, man.
I'm just saying, like, look here, you could walk.
Oh, yeah.
You know, with our daughter, you know what I'm saying,
Yeah,
pushing on.
yeah.
on the,
But inside there's
yeah.
walking trails.
They're walking trails inside.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the estate, right?
This
We're going
is the estate,
okay.
yeah.
A ella le toca como un día, la verdad.
Mm.
Yo tengo un botecito de fruta.
Atrás, okay.
Sí, en cualquier momento, o sea, que toda para tomar lo busca.
Okay.
Porque ella está por revoltearse.
So when we get a chance, we stop. I need to get some from the trunk.
Okay. I'll
Yeah.
stop after we get. Oh, when we get, they take long to.
Oh, to do all that? Okay.
Quédate ahí, carajo.
But there's somewhere we can grab coffee inside here, right?
Yeah, there's a clubhouse.
Okay.
De esta área me gusta mucho.
It's
She likes
beautiful.
it.
alrededor del lago. Y va a poder traer todo eso.
No puede ir, ¿no?
Yo creo que no va a poder traer todo eso. 3 cafés, la tarta y él no va a poder traer eso.
Dime.
Market.
No, brand.
Eh?
Brand?
Which brand?
You like
Yeah. But when I buy branded stuff like Wishy stuff, right? I don't want it to be showy.
Yo no quiero como mostrar mucho. Yeah. Wow, this-
You know?
This
You
is
mustn't
the-
know. Yeah. If you
Wow.
say,
This is a super dry store.
yeah.
How
it's
big?
coming.
Wow. This is huge.
You want the bathroom? Yeah. It's the same thing.
Cape Union.
Hiking, camping.
Okay. Well, I think that's more like Dick's sporting goods.
Yeah, it's hiking and camping.
Yeah, yeah, it's
section.
more like Dick's sporting goods. She's asking if gold is expensive here.
It depends on what you.
Yeah.
It's cheaper, yeah.
Yeah. But the thing, do they even sell that much like jewelry since people aren't they afraid of being?
People,
Because I haven't seen a
people are
lot of.
wearing. No, people don't. In South Africa, they don't wear chains, right? They wear watches.
Watches, okay, all right.
So, like the one guy that I know,
Yeah.
he just ordered, what's his thing? Bananera,
Yeah.
right? He's on the waiting list for 2 years.
Oh wow.
2 years he's been on the waiting list. So
Okay.
all the restaurants are here.
Okay, going out, right?
No, I'm trying to say, you want the bathroom,
Yeah.
and then after bathroom we can do
Walk,
one round,
yeah.
and then.
You come out here to the right.
So now I don't know if you're gonna wanna sit inside or outside. First check
Okay.
setup.
Yeah.
Check the setup. We'll stand at the door,
Okay.
and then you decide where you're gonna
So how about we make that round and then go out, walk
go.
there
Okay,
around
then
and
let's
then.
go for the bathroom first.
Okay.
Bathrooms are one level down.
Okay. ¿Tú quieres baño? Okay.
But it's gonna be expensive.
Yeah, it's a Polo store, yeah. Yeah.
There's Chista, there's the brands are on that side. You like La Creuset?
What, Lacoste?
Pots. No,
Lacoste?
La Creuset, the pots.
Oh, yeah. But I don't know if she
Okay.
es una marca de joyas. De cocina. Yeah, joyas.
Cast
Yeah.
iron pots.
Yeah. Like
And then there's this Al Capone.
Oh, I'd seen that one in
Hydraulics.
yeah, I'd seen that in
Santon.
Santon, yeah.
Expensive.
Yeah. But it's nice setup, man.
Yeah, it's nice. Yeah.
Man, if I dream of a store like that. New Balance. Yeah,
This
this.
is me all day, like weekends. This
yeah.
is how I wear. I
Yeah.
just wear sports gear.
Mira. ¿Cuál es esa tienda? Yeah, yeah. Yeah. She liked, there was a cargo pant that she saw in this store in Santon. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It was like 200
And
bucks.
for Hugo Boss, exchange,
Okay.
the Cheetah store. That green jacket is sick.
Mm,
Una cosa bonita.
yeah.
That is sick.
Yeah, and it's ripstop. Yeah.
A canvas.
Yeah, it's like they call it ripstop.
Oh.
Yeah, it's usually like it's like a mix of nylon and
Nylon
cotton.
cotton.
Yeah. Like a lot of like army fatigue will have
That's
that.
all
Yeah.
I wear those all the time.
Yeah.
Inside the home.
Yeah. Oh, so the Superdry has moved from this store to the other. Oh, diesel. Oh,
Michael Kors.
okay. So this one here is more like urban.
It's also 2 liter.
Okay. Can I go in?
Different brands.
Yeah.
They've got all the different brands.
Okay.
Al Capone.
You
Yeah.
can go in, go in.
But it's not this. Probably, right?
Let me ask.
Yeah. It's okay? Okay. Oro, okay. I've got a store in the US. So
Okay.
I said I've got a store in the US, so I just wanted to check you guys out. Yeah. Yeah. Do you go to like Magic, or you guys? Because I've seen you have some US brands in here. Do you go to the trade shows in the US?
Yeah, my boss too.
Oh, it does. Okay,
Yeah.
gotcha. All right, cool. Nice setup. Oh, Balenci. Okay.
Ah, ese va mis.
Yeah. I don't like these.
No me gusta.
Those,
Pero aquí tiene
one
tenis
crack,
de marca.
then it's done.
Yeah. Wow. Wow. Yeah.
Yo le digo que a mí me gusta los tenis de marca, pero la ropa me gusta la ropa de Zara.
Mm.
¿Por qué? Porque uno tiene que no ponerse todo de marca,
Yeah.
sino ponerse lo más importante, los zapatos.
See. So what's over there? We got some private.
Mira, Tasha.
Oh, they got some
it's a
restaurants
facial.
over here.
Read Tasha's, but no, I don't like Tasha. We'll go that side as well.
Okay.
It's,
It's like an event, right?
yeah.
So the guy was like, I showed him my Instagram, I know that, so I asked him, do you think, because you like my style, you know, the clothing. It's like, oh, you've got the stack jeans, you know, the ones which are like this, and then they open up at the bottom.
Tiene
So I
una
asked him if that,
pregunta.
my type of style would work. He was like, yeah, definitely. Even the pricing, because I was like, is it decent for $100? I mean, jeans for $100 here.
Yeah.
He's like, yeah, definitely. That's nothing. It's like entry level for their store.
Yeah.
So which
See,
means, yeah.
This is my store. I love
Oh,
it.
this one here? Okay.
Yeah, one question. Esa persona
Uh-huh.
tiene la licencia para vender tenis de marca.
Yeah,
Oh.
como ellos. They probably, you know, like they're probably getting, they're not, ellos no sé o tiene,
Licencia.
I don't know if, you know, because she's asking if they,
For license.
those guys have a Balenciaga account. maybe they use somebody else.
Yeah,
Whereas,
probably.
yeah,
Probably.
because they're marking up because Balenciagas are like 1,000, but that was like 1,500. So they're reselling.
Yeah.
They must be buying them retail.
So, yeah. This is the
Oh.
sales office
For the Eclipse, okay. Wow. Hey, give me
making cocktails.
yeah, give me a beer. Have me a beer, bro. What did you just did?
Dacia. Cocktail? Cheese? Beer?
Always, yeah.
Man, when I was
This is like what I would wear.
oh, okay.
Work to work.
Yeah.
Like office hours.
Yeah,
It's not like
yeah. Yeah, yeah. And I think I would like to do something like this here, like going out for dinner, you know?
yeah.
Going out for dinner, that would be good instead of streetwear all the time.
Here's my favorite store.
Paul Smith, okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Mira ese zapato. De shoes.
That's for men, yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
And there's a big Zara store.
Ah, mira, tu favorita tienda.
Oh, Zara. I love Zara.
Well.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
She
Zara
loves
gets you on the
Zara
price, yeah.
And Naledi, she likes Zara and she likes Gista
Gista.
for women.
Oh my God, that's
She's tired now.
Yeah.
Ah, mira, esta es de Tasha. Esta. Ah, mira qué bolso.
Exchange.
Yeah. Money exchange.
Yeah.
Zara Home. We don't even have Zara Home
Really?
where we live, yeah.
¿Dónde está el toile?
Yeah.
A mí no me gusta la comida. Eso es como de Ikea. Es similar a Ikea.
Pero él no está vendiendo la cama, solo las sábanas, yeah, sí, yeah.
Mira, aquí tiene cama.
I think it's just for display.
Sara tiene de todo. porque
Yeah.
Sara quiere todo el mercado. No sé que vende comida como Amazon. Amazon vende hasta medicina. De ¿cómo se llama? ¿Cómo se dice dueño?
Owner?
Ajá, de Sara is de español.
Oh, okay. So, yeah, Zara's owner is Spanish.
Spanish,
Yeah. Steve Madden, oh my God, this guy, he's crazy. He imitates everything. And he went to court, I don't know, he still does it. Look, that looks like Alexander McQueen. That's the thing, it's like it's crazy. I don't know how he gets away with it. You know? So that's like Dior, those silver ones. What the hell? Can't make your own shit?
I can't wear shit.
Yeah. Yeah. Crystals. This is a good use of space. Yeah.
My time is this will add nice fragrance. Smell oh, nice. And
Yeah.
clean.
Oh, damn.
That chocolate.
Mira, me dice. Ese no me sé.
This brand, Amakosa,
That's
is
it.
super expensive.
Really?
It's like ridiculous.
I've heard of it. Yeah.
So all the Americans come and because Beyonce was wearing their brand, so
okay.
everyone was coming.
They come
to-
here look for it. Okay. Wow, look at these
Pharrell
doors.
came.
Yeah.
He's wearing all the Amakosa t-shirts.
Oh wow. Who owns it, man?
The South African.
Okay.
It's a family.
Okay.
It's a whole family.
Yeah.
This is the new silk range.
Está lindo eso, me gusta.
So this is como cosa.
Amakosa.
Cosa. This is like it's like the
It's the
cosa.
traditional colours.
Yeah. Of the
And the
cosa, right?
prints.
Yeah, of the cosa people. Okay. This is yeah.
Eso me gusta.
Muy
los
popular,
tres.
porque los americanos vienen aquí como Beyoncé, compran
Sí,
aquí.
está bonito los tres. Sí, ya también se pagan bien, se con eso la cabeza.
Like that t-shirt, 25,000.
Oh wow. What?
Oh yeah.
That's over 1,000.
That's crazy. It's almost $2,000.